Found a dead turtle on the way to one of the bays. You can see its little neck here. I think that's its face. One front flipper there up against the rock. You can see it's attached. There's the other detail of this left front flipper. There's its shell. Huge sea turtle. Parted its body down there. And back. I'm going to try to get a little bit closer down there. Oh. This is the side of, where the front flipper was. A little bit of the underside. The back flipper was, the detail of that. Ooh. You can see here that body. There's a little detail. A nail looks like a nail in the back. And a close-up of this back one, a little bit of the inside.